Hey, hi guys, welcome back to Miss Kaos. If you're new to my channel, hi, this is Sukruthi and I make videos on English speaking, phonetics and technical tutorials, and also I include my day-to-day vlogging and reviewing my favorite beauty products. So if you are this content kind of a person, don't forget to hit on the subscribe button and also the bell icon right next to it. So today's video is also English speaking video. We will check on some alternatives for I do like it and I don't like it. So I have a guest role today. It's my flower vase. We are twinning. It's pink day. Jokes apart. So let's get into today's video. Come quick. So it was a very long day for me. So I look really shabby. I'm so sorry for that. But I hope you all are doing well and all your loved ones are doing well. So today let's discuss about some of the alternatives that we can frequently use instead of using I do like it or I don't like it. So we'll just put it into segments, like we'll check on some 5-7 alternatives for I do like it, and we'll add not to it and make it to I don't like it. Like we are just converting the positive sentence to the negative ones. So let's get into it. So first alternative is I'm really into. You can use anything, like I'm really into vlogging. I am a big fan of dark chocolates. I'm fond of ice creams. I'm keen on making good videos. I'm just crazy about lipsticks. It's that easy. See? So for all these words, let's put a not in between and make it into a negative sentence. Like I'm not really into. You can say like I'm not really into vlogging. I just don't like it. No, because I love vlogging. Let me take some other thing. I'm not really into gaming, but I do. I'm not a big fan of. I'm not really into. I'm not big on. I'm not crazy about. It's not for me. Like, it's not my thing. I'm so sorry that I look so shabby today because it was a very long day for me. But I hope this video was informative. So thank you so much for watching. Please do keep supporting me as always. Bye bye.